Welcome to TradeEasy tutorial. Today we are going to create units of measure of any product in TradeEasy accounting software. Stock items are mainly purchased and sold on the basis of quantity. The quantity in turn is measured by units. In such cases, it is necessary to create the units of measure. The unit of measure can either be simple or compound. So first I will show you the example of simple unit product. For that, click on product. The product master window is opened. Enter the product name, sugar, and code model as S. Then enter the barcode and EAN code if available. Then enter the product group and also enter the company, category and subcategory. Also enter the HSN or SAC code. As this product I am entering in the loose form, so I am giving the unit as kilogram. Now enter the tax percentage, then enter the purchase amount in landing cost and selling amount in GST inclusive rate. Then automatically margin percentage and margin amount will be calculated. Then enter the MRP rate. Then save the product. Next I am going to create a product with compound unit. Enter the product name, code model, then enter the barcode and EAN code. Enter the product group, that is chocolates, and enter the company name. Next enter the product HSN code. Here I am going to create compound unit. For example, 10 chocolates in one box. For that, click on Create New Unit. Then select the unit category, that is quantity. As this product is coming as pieces, we are selecting this unit category as quantity. Then enter the unit name as box 10, as we have 10 pieces in one box. Now enter the unit symbol as BX10. Also you can enter the alternative unit if available. Next enter the number of pieces, that is 10, and enter the unit as number. So in this way we have created a unit named box 10 in which 10 pieces are there in a single box. Now save the unit. So the created unit will be shown in the list, that is box 10, 10 numbers. Then enter the IGST percentage or tax percentage. Then enter the landing cost or purchase cost of a single box. Then enter the selling rate in GST inclusive rate and also enter the MRP. In the below section, you can enter the rate for different units or can even enter the rates with multiple customer types. For that, you have to first enable selling rate settings for multiple customer types. Then you can select the customer type as customer and select the unit, that is dozen. You can enter the barcode for this unit and the rate will be calculated automatically for dozen unit. After that, you can add this entry. Let's select another unit for this customer type, that is number. So the rate of single pieces will be calculated in GST, exclusive and inclusive rate. Now let's select the another customer type, that is dealer. Let's select the unit, that is dozen, and we can change the rate for dealer, and also you can add barcode for this unit for dealer customer type. After entering this product with different units, let's save this product. We can also create unit by clicking on Masters and selecting Unit Settings. From here also you can create unit. For example, let's select the unit category as length. Suppose we are creating a unit for a 10-meter cloth in one roll. For that, I am giving the unit name as roll 10, unit symbol as RL10, and enter the 1 unit equals to 10 meter. In this way, we have created another unit. Also, if you want to print unit name instead of unit symbol, you can enable it. Then you can save the unit. Now let's move on to the purchase. Then selecting the local purchase. The purchase window is opened. Now let's enter the invoice number and vendor name. Select the product from the list. Enter the quantity. The unit is kilogram and add the product. Now enter another product which I am purchasing the unit as box which contains 10 pieces and enter the number of boxes and add this product. After entering all the products, you can save the purchase voucher. Now let's move on to the sale window. For that, you have to click on transactions, then sales. This is the sale window. Let's enter the product and enter the quantity, that is 500 gram. You can select gram from unit, then the rate will be automatically changed to gram rate. After that, you can add it. Also enter another product. We are having the stock in boxes but selling as pieces. In the bottom, you can see that one box contains 10 pieces. Now enter the quantity and select the unit as numbers, as we are selling this product in pieces. The rate will be changed and you can add it. And then save the bill after entering all the products. Now let's enter another bill. Here we will select the customer type as dealer. For that, you have to click Alt plus F7 for selecting customer type from customer column. Now select the customer type as dealer. Now let's start entering the products. Select the unit as dozen and enter quantity. The rate for this unit will be changed for this dealer type. Now add this product and save it. To view the reports of a product for particular unit, you have to go to Inventory Reports, then click on Stock Register. From here, you can select the unit option and can select any unit. Then click on View. Then you can see all the products with this unit. From here, you can see the stock, that is 48 box and 3 numbers is the remaining stock available. If I am selecting the unit as kilogram, you can see the products with kilogram unit. So this was all about unit creation of products in TradeEasy accounting software. Hope you find this video helpful. For more updates and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.